Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, ho. Bitch, all cuteness. I'm gonna throw in a little hairstyle for you guys, like a little secret of mine. Real ones know, but for the bitches that don't, my buns were like my number one, like number one thing to do, honey. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Hold on, bitch. Brows done by Brow Surgeon on Insta. Bitch, lifesaver. I'm telling you this right now. Like, I just woke up from a nap. Keep in mind, wait, before I took a nap, I had cleaned them up with concealer, and then I woke up, and then boom, we're gonna put some shit on her face. I'm gonna put this MAC Hyper Real Serum. I like how it feels on my face so far. Today is the giving of the thanks. You know what I mean? I'm Native American, so it's not so fucking happy, right? No. Nah, I am thankful and grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you guys so fucking much. I say that all the fucking time, and I will never stop saying that, bitch. Even if that was like my last thing to say, I'll say that, ho. Okay? This concealer is so fucking fire. Look, watch. Juan Carlos. See how that just like matched my whole fucking face? It's actually pretty insane. What? Oh. This fucking powder. This shit is just too fucking good. Like, see? These two right here. And if you're feeling a little extra crazy, you're gonna go up here. But it just smells like fucking, like chocolate, bitch. Getting ready to take more, AI pictures. Dude, tell me why with that picture people were dead ass like, when did you go to the snow? I'm like, be fucking for free snow trip. Be creative, ho. Damn. Well, be yourself first, but damn, be creative. Damn. We already see dumb ugly shit every day. Can we not, like, can your Instagram just not be one of them? Like, I don't know. I enjoy looking at my feed, honestly. You see, and if this were to get in your mouth, it don't even taste bad. It tastes just like chocolate. That's why I don't even be mad. It's just me. Oh my god. You know what? That reminds me of like a tweet I had tweeted. I'm just gonna fucking do a video. I think I am. No, of me reading my tweets, because I had tweeted some shit like that where it was like, do you ever just see somebody's like story and you just unfollow them? It's low-key true. Like, what is this shit? That one right there. Love this pinky shit. Okay, we're gonna bake. And then we're gonna like do the shit one more time over it. The Ruby Kisses powder. But I wanted to add more. Oh, bitch, what are you doing here? Pet that bitch. Don't be shy. One more time with the fluffy brush. This handy dandy spray right here. We're gonna mattify this bitch. Boom. MAC Press Studio powder. Literally where we put the powder. Mwah. Oh my goodness. You guys want to hear something crazy? Well, the real ones will remember this story time. But if you guys are new here, I basically did a video, like a story time of, you know, your favorite rapper wanted to take me home type shit, and it was Blue Bucks. Tell me why he sends me a picture of that video to my Instagram through DM, and he's like, you thirsty. I'm thirsty because I didn't want to do nothing with you. That did not sound thirsty to me at all, sir. Let's put on this highlight. Too Faced eyeshadow. Disco Crush. No, but for real, I was like, what? What you mean? Alright, bitches. So for eyelashes, you bitches already know I will be using my baby's Shop Des VX. Ta-da! I did a little light eye. Try to keep it, you know, not as raw XD today. Lip combo. Lip combo. I'm going to be using the MAC Cork lip liner with the LA Colors lip gloss. Right. And Baby Cakes. Woo. Okay, hair time. Ooh, kill him.
Ooh, kill him!
Alright, no, for real. I'm gonna do a little bang and a little bun. Do I want the bang this long? Yeah. Okay. Still hold that bitch up. And then like grab below it and make it tighter. This is how I would have my buns fucking lasting all day. Even when I got in a fight. Let me yank this bitch. But yeah, tease it as much as you need to. I have my shit in layers, so I have to like tease them evenly. That makes sense. Grab it, twist it. Once you find it how you like it, hold that bitch down and tie it up twice. Grab it one more time. Are you gonna adjust it again? And do the same thing. Hold it down. How you like it? And then you just form that bitch. I don't like mine's too fucking like circular. Hold on, we're not done. Hold on. Make it look a little clean. So, this is where you get your little ligas. I have mine in my Prada shade. You know. Prada shade case. I got these shades in Vegas. We're gonna fix it, and you're gonna use the little baby ligas to like form it until you get it how you like it. I'll put this down. And we're gonna like kind of like curl it right here, so it could be away from your face. Right. And then you just add more. Keep doing it. You're gonna grab it, and this is how you're gonna curl it. You're gonna put it through. You're gonna twist it, and you're gonna pull down. but you're gonna twist it at the same time as you're pulling down, okay? So it's gonna be like that. Okay. And this lovely gel right here, and we're just gonna do one. One more spray. Install the helmet. This is the end of the look. Oh my goodness. Bitch, I haven't done a bun or like some shit like this in so long. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit down below. And I will see you bad bitches in my next video, okay, ho? Mwah. Bye, guys.